Terra Summer, Outdoor Living Spaces. Installation Guide for the Durafix Screen. Measurements and Preparation. Step 1A. Referring to the order sheet, make sure that the inside dimensions of the opening match the dimensions of the Durafix screen. Please note that the dimensions of the mounting frames GE03 will be a little longer than the dimensions ordered to allow you to perfectly adjust the frame to your opening. Assembling the bottom and the top. 2A. Take one of the horizontal mounting frames, GE03, marked with the letter H, and insert the right part inside the base of the opening. B. Mark the point where the left side of the mounting frame contacts the frame of the opening. C. Safety glasses are required for this step. Cut the horizontal mounting frame where previously marked. D. Secure the mounting frame using the holes located within it. Please use the appropriate screws depending on the material on which it will be mounted. Make sure that the positioning of all the mounting frames GE03 can be installed within the opening. E. Repeat steps 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D with the top mounting frame GE03 marked with the letter H. Installing the vertical mounting frames. 3A. Take one of the vertical mounting frames, GE03, marked with the letter V, and place it on top of the bottom mounting frame, GE03. B. Mark the point where the vertical mounting frame makes contact with the top mounting frame. C. Safety glasses are required for this step. Cut the vertical mounting frame where previously marked. D. Take the cut vertical mounting frame, GE03, and insert it between the bottom and top mounting frames. E. Secure the mounting frame using all the holes located inside of it. Use the appropriate screws depending on the material. F. Repeat steps 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D, and 3E with the second vertical mounting frame GE03 marked with the letter V. Inserting the screen. Step 4A. Before inserting the screen, take note of where the two small screws are located on the clip GE02 and make sure that they are facing outside of the room. B. Take the top clip and slide it over the screen. Make sure that the length of the screen is equal to the length of the clip GE02. The fusion, the shiny side of the junction of the zipper in the fabric, must be on the inside of your room to protect it from the sun. C. Center the clip GE02 in the mounting frame GE03 at the top and press until you hear 2 clicks. D. Slide the vertical clip GE02 up the left zip of the screen. E. Insert the left vertical clip in the left mounting frame, making sure it is completely behind the top clip to allow the next step to be easily done. F. Press on the top section only until you hear 2 clicks. G. Repeat the previous steps on the right side. H. Slide the bottom horizontal clip, GE02, onto the bottom zip of the screen. I. Lower and center the side clips using the metal bar. Press until you hear 2 clicks. J. Center and insert the bottom clip on the mounting frame. Press until you hear 2 clicks. Adjusting the screen. 5A. Push in the clips, GE02, click by click, starting at the top left corner, working clockwise. To increase the tension at the top and bottom, adjust the top bar before the bottom bar. Continue until the desired tension is achieved. Please note that too much tension on the fabric could cause it to tear. B. Adjust the lateral clips using the metal bar. C. Once the desired tension is obtained, lock the screen in place by screwing the 3 small screws on all sides of the horizontal and vertical clips.